Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing, and today we are going to talk about how to manifest the life that you want. And I know these videos are posted everywhere, but I'm talking about the real work that you actually need to do to really be mindful, to change your mindset, and to truly manifest what it is that you are trying to do in your life. And there are lots of tools to do all of these things. We make manifestation pouches and we use things like Job's tears and tonka beans and mojo wish beans and all sorts of different spell candles and spell bags and all of that. And I have all of those things in the store. But notice I don't have any of them with me here today. So as we work through the cycles of the moon, we can work those cycles of the new and the full moon into helping us to let go of the things that no longer serve us as the moon wanes and goes away. And as the dark moon approaches, the very last of the moon approaches before the new moon happens, you can let go of those things that are holding you back and then use that energy of the full moon with proper intention. Go watch that intention video if you do not understand what I'm talking about. Phrasing your intention properly, but you need to feel, and I mean really feel those words, feel those things inside of you. When we manifest things, we don't talk about things in the future. We talk about them, we feel them, we touch them, we taste them like they already exist. That is how you manifest things. But if you are holding on to doubts, fears, anxiety, anger, and all sorts of other things that are taking up all of your mental and emotional energy, if you're holding on to those things, it is going to be very difficult to be connected to the ground, connected to source, and actually be in the flow of prosperity, in the flow of manifestation, because the law of attraction really, really is true. So if where your energy and where your emotions are is in that negative energy, or in the desire of, I want this, I want that, someday I'll get this, maybe I'll take a break when blah, blah, blah. If you're always living in that excuse or that want or that need mode, that's the energy that you're going to attract to you. If you are angry all the time, all you're going to see everywhere is anger. If what you're looking for is anxiety and negativity, what you're going to see is negativity. So, in order to move forward, we need to release, we need to let go, we need to somehow really look deep inside. And I talked about this on Tuesday with my shamanic journey techniques discussion, that it takes a lot to look inside. On Sunday's live, I talked a lot about really getting to that point where you can be honest with yourself, and that takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of work to be honest with yourself about where you truly are. I know that there were points in my life where there was no way I was going to look inside. I knew what I was doing. I was, able to do this, and I was able to do this healing work, and I was able to do that healing work. But I wasn't healing myself at that point in time. And if you're not walking the walk, you should definitely not be teaching and talking and doing what you're doing for other people. You do not have to be 100% perfect to be teaching and helping others to heal, but you do need to be working on yourself. I am definitely not, and I will never be completely healed, completely perfect, or anything like that. And if any of you, worldwide internet here, something I tell all of my students, but if any of you ever hear me say that I know everything, you just all need to turn around and walk away, because there is definitely lots and lots of things that I do not know, that I explore, that I want to understand, that I look inside myself to understand. And that growth and that desire to learn, that desire to have knowledge, and to know that I am ever growing and ever evolving, and that I am one with the universe. But that doesn't mean I understand all of the universe yet. I only perceive my little portion of that. And our human perceptions are not perfect, and I don't think they ever will be. But I could be wrong. But as we evolve and as we change, we learn and we accept. But you have to realize that you need to do your own work. You have to be able to look inside and let go of all of those things that you're holding on to from your own previous trauma, from your own previous experience, in order to make room for that manifestation. So if you're holding on to old ideas, you will not be able to manifest new things. Like I said, note, I don't have any of the things that I sell in the shop here with me today for this class. There are tons of things that I could be offering you, but I'm not going to offer you those things, because you need to get your mindset into that place of manifestation. Now, I do actually have a list of all of those things. I have a nice PDF that I have put together so that you can, when you are ready to get that mindset into the manifestation mindset, you can download a list of herbs and oils and crystals and spiritual things that are used for manifestation. You need to be guided by your higher self as to which things are best for you to use. Which things go with your flow where you are now. Now, one of the other great ways to manifest things is to write down that you already have, or that you are open and full of abundance from the universe and filled with energy and love and all the other things that you need or that you desire, but you need to write that as if you already have them. I am filled with. And read it before you go to bed and sleep with it under your pillow. Put that energy into these spiritual things that are on that manifestation list and carry them with you. They're to remind you that you already have all of those wonderful things. To download that PDF, you're just going to go to transformationalhealing.com/resources. And on that resources page, you can also join the email tribe, which will get you discount coupons and onto our email newsletter, so that you'll get all the information about what different things are being offered by Transformational Healing, by me, in the website shop, different sales that are happening, upcoming videos, different experiences for classes and services, and I give out lots of free goodies because I love to spoil my tribe. So you can join the email tribe, or you can grab that manifestation book or any of the other things that are on that resources page. They are all there for you, all the different offerings that are coming up right now. I hope that you have a wonderful week. if you missed the Shamanic Journey class on Tuesday or the past live streams, you should check those out. But I will be live on this coming Tuesday, and I'm going to share a story about going to Salem, Massachusetts with a bunch of college friends that were in a group, and our experience about being in Salem, Mass. I promised that this month for the live streams that I would share a story each week, and so that is going to be my story on this Sunday. So hope to see you live on Sunday at 2 o'clock. Check out all the other videos that are on the channel, and maybe subscribe so you don't miss any, and give this one a like. I hope you have a blessed weekend, and I will see you real soon. Many blessings, tribe.